It's technically my first print. It's a bed leveling test. I tried make an attempt on a test last night. Thank God I aborted it. It's going to be like a 4-hour procedure. I have to look into tweaking and changing my nozzles. Depending on the nozzle size will reduce the quality but increase the speed. A lot of things I'm going to be printing, the quality doesn't really matter so much. If I'm making bins or DeWalt tool holders and stuff like that, they just have to be strong enough to do their job. So this is a bed leveling test I found on a YouTube channel. It's on Thingiverse. Seems pretty neat. It just goes along. Let's see if we can touch it. And you want it to stick, but be able to come loose. The bed leveling procedure was a pain in the butt. I think I'm going to epoxy my screws down because they don't appear to be tightening up. So as you can see right there, my nozzle kind of dug into my bed. This is a like a glass bed. One of the few upgrades I got. So we'll give this a run. Make sure everything looks cool, and if everything goes right, we're going to go for that 4-hour print. It's a 20 volt DeWalt holder. It plugs in like a battery would, and you can mount it anywhere you want. So that'd be kind of cool, I think, with the grinder and the atomic sawzall and the atomic circular saw. That'd be a nice way to store it in the work truck and maybe possibly in the shop. I don't really know. So I get one print out. Then as I get a little bit better with this, I could tweak the settings and go from there. So that's that. First print. Definitely encouraging. Okay, there we have it. Let's check it out. Everything's releasing. Seems to be stuck pretty good. These areas here that delaminate it, it's because I touched and disturbed them in the middle of printing. But hey, there you go. I think we're ready. Here's a short video. Sorry if you're not interested in this. I think it's kind of cool. I'm going to be working on a project. Hopefully this will help me organize my shop and my life a little bit better. That'd be kind of cool. Lord knows I need all the help I can get. Okay, so it's been quite a few days since I recorded my bed leveling and testing. Apparently that leveling knob in the back had a wire loom hooked to it, which limited me adjusting the rear left hand side of the bed. Watched a lot of videos, did a lot of testing, sucked at it a lot. Tried doing a DeWalt tool mount. I guess I was a little ambitious on my first project. I ended up switching to a bigger nozzle. I think I got it. The bed leveled pretty decent. I got pretty good flow. So now I'm going to do what every YouTuber does. I'm going to print my first Benchy. It's a little boat project if you're not familiar. So I'm tired of sucking. At least the .08 millimeter nozzle or whatever lets me make mistakes faster. So I could identify my mistakes a lot quicker, which is nice. I don't have to spend 30-40 minutes to realize I screwed it up. So I'm screwing up a lot faster rate now. I need a win bad. That's why we're printing this Benchy. Hopefully this will give me my first successful print. So far it looks pretty good. And there you have it. Success. Finally, my first win. Now it's not much to look at. Hell, it's barely solid. I got a lot of infills in there. But you know what? It kind of looks the part. Yeah, it's not that great. But I'm not that great of a printer. So, there you go. Finally got my win. Yes! Off to more successes. Alright, if you made it this far, thanks. I appreciate it. Won't be seeing too much of this stuff. Take care.